Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on airplay and hand off, you just click on it here. Then you come here to transfer to Homepod, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's me here transfer to HomePod. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.